So let's talk about some power tools that we use. Most of our power tools, if not all of them, are battery operated. So this is a portable bandsaw. Very useful to use out there. We use this to cut conduit. We use it to cut unistrut. But it's usually, everything we use to cut with this, it's metal related. So this here is your normal drill, has different torque settings on it. We use this quite often. This is a hammer drill. So if we're drilling into the concrete floor, we're drilling into a concrete wall, because we got to put a sleeve in, use a hammer drill, because you need that extra force of it not only turning the drill bit, but it's also kind of pushing it through. So we use these quite a bit when we're installing racks on the floor. And like I said, if we're having to install something on the outside of the building, such as a camera, we've got to be able to do a sleeve to get to the outside of that. And usually the walls are concrete, either poured concrete or concrete slab. Sawzall, very useful. You can buy different size blades. You can buy blades for very specific things. You can buy blades for metal. You can buy blades for wood. Wood with different fine cuts, rough cuts, that type of thing. There are times when we've got to be able to get in there, and it's, especially if we're at an existing place and we're having to move something, and we've got to get in there to cut a bolt, cut something that's going to let us take off what it is that's already installed to move it somewhere else. Again, Amtech furnishes these power tools, and we get the blades for what the specific job is used for. Grinders, this is a 6-inch grinder. Again, when we cut something with a bandsaw, you don't want to have these sharp edges. So we use these to get those down. The last thing we want to do is for somebody to get cut, whether it's our people or the customer. We don't, safety comes first. So we use these grinders for that type thing. This is a reciprocating saw. Other trades use these. Plumbers use them, carpenters use them. We use them. We use them quite a bit when we're cutting in, say, card access, strikes, that type of thing. And again, you buy blades, different blades based on what you want to use it for. So it gets you into real tight places, and it moves like this. And based on the blade you're using, it will cut whatever you're doing. So again, other trades use these. You'll see them a lot. Been out on the market for quite a while, so this does come handy. Again, Amtech does provide this. All of these tools, again, are based on the level of what you are. Some of these you may have already seen, you may have used, some of you may have not have seen them at all, but that's okay. When you get them, we will show you this is what that tool is used for. Some of these tools are used for multiple purposes, and there's some that are used for very specific purposes, and we want you to be able to use the tool for what it's designed for.